So this week's plant of the week is Solidago, which is commonly known as Goldenrod. And there are 140 some different varieties of goldenrod, most of which are native to North America. I have two varieties that I want to talk about today. This is Solidago multiradiata, commonly known as Rocky Mountain goldenrod. So you can see it here, well, not right here, but these are clips that I filmed, there it is, over in the right hand corner and up in the middle. I wanted to show you what it looks like in the context of a garden. So this is either filmed in August or September, I'm not sure which. All the clips in this little video are either from August or September, but this is what it looks like just in the context, planted in with other plants. And there's Rocky Mountain Penstemon strictus right there. There's some Nepeta. You have some gamma grasses, sunflowers. I mean, there's all kinds of stuff. This is a close-up. This is after the flowers have been pollinated, but there's still nice color, and it's planted there with some asters. So it's just really a lovely plant, but I wanted you to see it in kind of the garden context. And clearly this is, not the best footage I've ever shot, but it gives you a sense for what it looks like close up. It's really only about maybe 18 inches, 2 feet tall. Okay, so now we've got some clips of the much taller Solidago canadensis, and this is actually in places taller than I am, so almost 6 feet tall. It's gorgeous. These plants are only 2 years old too, so they put on a ton of growth. Of course, this is something that dies back completely to the ground and then springs up every spring. I love the kind of almost asparagus looking foliage. It's really thin and beautiful. It has kind of a silvery sheen to it. And the flowers, I mean, it is just covered with bees constantly. It's planted in along the side of the wildlife garden in with these trees. That's an American plum, and there are some amelanchiers in there too. And it just kind of forms this little hedge along the side, which I think is really nice, but it's that height that's great. And it is covered with pollinators. So here's another view, just kind of has great motion in the wind and all of that kind of stuff too. It's a lovely plant. So if you need something tall, this is a great option. If you have any questions, drop them below, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Happy gardening.